Today I'm breaking out of this cage. I'ma face my demon, I'm manning up. I'ma hold my ground, I've had enough. Now I'm so fed up, time to put my life back together right now.
It was my decision to get clean, I did it for me. Admittedly, I probably did it subliminally for you, so I could come back a brand new me. You helped see me through, and don't even realize what you did, 'cause believe me, I've been through the ringer, but taking too little to the middle finger. I think I got a tear in my eye, I feel like the king of my world. Haters can make like bees with no stingers and drop dead. No more beat blingers, no more drama from now on. I promise to focus solely on handling my responsibilities as a father, so I solemnly swear to always treat this group like my daughters and raise it. You couldn't lift a single on it, 'cause the way I feel, I'm strong enough to go to the club or the corner bar and lift the whole liquor counter up, 'cause I'm raising the bar. I shoot for the moon, but I'm too busy gazing at stars. I feel amazing and I'm not afraid.
I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody, come take my hand, come take my hand. Walk this road together.